Alright, y'all, I just picked up my America the Beautiful pass. The first stop is Walnut Canyon, so I'm gonna go check out this national monument and see what it looks like. After 4 days of driving, I can finally start doing some sightseeing, so it should be very exciting from here on out. You can see how they think that their dwellings worked. They had a fire, but the smoke would escape through those holes up there. Very neat. I ended up spending the majority of the day at Walnut Canyon. I had the whole place to myself for the most part. Now, it's not a big monument, but there were a lot of informative signs about what life may have been like in the canyon for the natives who lived there nearly 1,000 years ago. The rim offered sweeping views of the canyon below and hundreds of ancient structures built into the overhanging rock. After that, I decided to eat at a nice Mexican restaurant, then drive to Sedona since it was getting a little late to go to the Grand Canyon. I drove down a picturesque mountain pass that led to the strange landscape of beautiful red rock formations that the town is famously known for.
Wow, the scenery around here is incredible. Feels like I'm on another planet.
Okay, I just got a lot of really cool pictures, so now I'm gonna drive around down here for a bit and see what else there is, and then drive back to Flagstaff. On the way back to Flagstaff, I drove on part of the famous Red Rock Scenic Byway. The monsoon clouds over the mountains in the twilight made for a picture that looked like something out of a movie. The following day, I would finally get to see the Grand Canyon in person. I've seen pictures of it on my computer, but to see it in person is breathtaking. In my opinion, pictures and videos just cannot fully capture the beauty of nature, not to mention the sensations of the canyon wind blowing against my clothes or the hot desert sun baking my shoulders red. The real adventure begun when I drove down a lesser traveled road and searched for a spot to camp for the night. No more hotel. I wanted to experience the stillness of being completely alone in the woods and under the stars. The western skies were magnificent compared to Pennsylvania, where there are very few places left without light pollution. And if you do manage to find a spot, it most likely will be cloudy. I did capture some of the stars on my phone. However, the pictures just didn't turn out as well as they would have with a nicer camera. Perhaps maybe someday I'll get one. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm going to end it here. I still have a ton of footage to go through and piece together into something watchable. If you enjoyed this video, please stick around because in the following videos, I will be going over how I camp in my truck. I also have a lot of stunning footage from all over Utah that I can't wait to share. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.